Good morning students. You have already learned IPO cycle in your previous class. Today we are going to discuss functional components of a computer system. This figure shows the basic structure of a computer. A computer receives data and instructions through input devices which get processed by the CPU and the result is shown through output devices. The main memory and secondary memory are used to store data inside the computer. The main memory holds the input and intermediate output during the processing. Let us discuss each unit in detail. Input unit. A input unit accepts input and converts it into binary form so that it can understood by the computer. Let us now discuss the most extensively used input devices. Keyboard. The most commonly used input devices is a keyboard which directly enters the data in the form of letters, digits and commands into the computer. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device which a roller at its base used for moving a pointer on a computer monitor. When a user moves a mouse across the flat surface, the pointer moves in the direction of the mouse movement. Light pen. A light pen is a pointing device that can be used to select anything on the computer screen by simply pointing at it or for drawing figures directly on the screen. It consists of a photocell mounted on a pen-shaped tube and is capable of sensing a position on the screen which its tip touches on the screen. Next, OMR, Optical Mark Reader. An OMR is capable of recognizing a pre-specified type of mark made with a dark pencil or ink. It is commonly used for grading specially designed MCQ answer sheets. Next, smart card reader. Smart cards are used as ATM cards, ID card, credit and debit card. They are used in banking, medical and in big companies and organizations for strong security authentication. Next, barcode reader. A barcode is a collection of or sequence of lines of different heights and widths that are printed on various types of products. The machine that reads these barcodes is called a barcode reader. Next, touch screen. It is a type of display screen which allows interaction with the computer through a touch-sensitive transparent panel covering the entire screen without any intermediate device. Touchscreens are mostly found in systems such as ATMs, mobile devices where the user needs to choose from a given list. Microphone. A microphone is an input device used to provide audio data to a computer. It works with a sound card and is mainly used for sound recording. Next, web camera. A webcam is a camera that is connected to the computer. It captures still pictures as well as videos and with the help of software can transmit them in real time. Next, Central Processing Unit, CPU. CPU is the control of a computer. It guides, direct controls and governs all the processing that take place inside the computer. The CPU consists of two components, arithmetic logic unit and control unit, that perform their specific operation. Arithmetic logic unit. All calculations and comparisons are made in this unit. The ALU performs the arithmetic and logical operation sent from the memory, performs specific operations such as addition, subtraction, etc. and the result is returned to the memory. The result of the logical operation is either true or false. and helps the computer in decision making. Next, control unit. The CU controls the flow of data from input devices to memory and from memory to output devices. Next, registers. These are high-speed temporary storage areas found in the CPU. Thus, we have come to the end of today's session. Today, we have learned central processing unit and input devices. Thank you.